Replace entity feature. This can be very useful when you edit your sketch. In this part, I have an extrude and a fillet. And when I look at the sketch, I have two different construction lines above the sketch. If I want to replace the top horizontal line with the arc, I could click on the arc and deselect for construction, and the top line, and select for construction. And I just press OK. Okay, so that of course did not go as it was supposed to, but no worries. I'll just press Control Z 3 times to undo, undo, undo. Okay, so I'm back at the beginning. Instead, I'm going to right click on the sketch and go to Replace Entity. Then I click on the top line arc and press OK. The sketch contour is corrected and I press OK. And there's no error on the model. So, but what if I want to use, let's see, what if I want to use these lines here? I'm just going to go back, replace, and great. Okay. These lines here. The function does not allow me to replace one segment with multiple segments. I can of course convert three entities into a spline. There we go. And not great, but that's not very accurate when you consider the original sketch. So instead, I'm going to use the split entities. So I just go to Tools and Sketch Tools and Split Entities. And I just select two random points on my sketch line. There we go. And then I use the replace entities on all three lines. Place and replace and replace. There we go. Okay, and exit the sketch. And the model has changed.